Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to keep working on our um, movie page, right? Or movie web app. So now I have our comment page set up, and let's go back to the start. So that's how our homepage looks like right now. If we give it a minute to load, yep. So these are some of the trendings. What we can do is we can just pick one. Oh, there's new Resident Evil. I don't even know that. Alright, let's see. Who should we pick? It's 365. Alright, interesting. I'll just pick Spider-Man for a demonstration. So as you can see, this is what we have. So now basically, if we want, we can go to /comments. That's going to give us the comments, and we can comment and say, this is a great Spider-Man movie. Whatever, stupid grammar. Alright, and then I can see we got comment objects 3. So what we need to do is actually to print this out. And by the way, I'm not sure why this is happening. Not sure why this is happening. I never did anything like that, but whatever. Alright, where are we? Where were we? Okay, so now we can go to comments.html. And rather than doing this, what we can do is it's comment, right? So we can say c.comment, try to get the comment. Like so. So refresh the page. And now you can see we got this is a great Spider-Man movie. Perfect. So now what we need to do here is to, let's see. So now we need to print out the author who wrote this, right? So you can say c.user dot first name said okay. So first name is probably username. No. Just name. Is there a name? Alright. Yes, we need to figure out, because by default it's like anonymous user. So let's see. We're just gonna say SQL 3 db.sqli3 schema. What? Let's just open up manually and let's take a look at it. Yeah, you know what? We're just gonna open up using DB browser. Yeah, this browser is going to be load up. So you can take a look. What field is that actually is? Perfect. I don't want to print anything though. Alright, so it's username. The c.user. Let's refresh the page to make sure I actually have a user. Yep. Anonymous user said. Yeah, I guess we don't even need to do that. Anonymous user said, this is a great Spider-Man movie. Perfect. So it's gonna be filtered so that the newest comment is at the top. So then we can say, I agree. So another thing we can do is like make a reply thread. So then here we can say, I agree with anonymous user for example. I can post that, submit, and ooh, okay, so it didn't create new line. That's bad. Bad. Alright, so let's create a new line like that. Refresh. Anonymous user said, ooh, okay, so we need to sort in a different fashion. Let's see, let's go to VO.py. So on the newest first, which means we need to actually query set. Okay, that does not help me. So which means we need to reverse it. I'm not sure if there's a reverse command. Apparently there is. Let's see, would it reverse it? Alright, repair refuse to connect. Let's see what's the issue. Okay, now this error actually caused everything to crash, which is not good. I'm not sure. Not sure what's happening here. Yeah, it always says that. I'm not sure what's happening. Why it caused that error? Okay, and that did not reverse it. Okay, I need to. Let's do this. Pip freeze greater than. Let's do pip install Django. I know Django released like 4.0 version, so. Alright, we're gonna do upgrade. I'm gonna upgrade Django, see if that's gonna make any difference. Alright, it's down to 3.2. There's already like a 4 point something. There's like a 4.0 version for Django already. Let's wait for it to load. Alright. Not sure if that fixed the issue, but we'll see. I'm not sure if the reverse actually did anything. Let's refresh. Okay, it does look like it looks like fixed the issue, there's no error. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, I want the newest comment at the top. Let's see if what if I don't reverse it? Excuse me. Okay, I wonder if we can do this. Let's take a look. Because I want the newest comment at the top. Ah, perfect. Perfect. This works. I agree with. Yeah, perfect. All right. So now do we have a timestamp? I hope I do have a timestamp. We do have a timestamp. All right. So then here we can say we can put another div actually. All right. Create another. Oh my god. Let's create another div. Like that. Probably let's also insert. Let's go BR. Let's Let's see, what does that look like? Anonymous user on. Said, I wish I could indent this, honestly. Said, let's create. And then let's add an extra line break right there. Alright, let's refresh the page. Perfect. That looks better. That looks better. Alright, you cannot edit comments while you're an anonymous user, so that's that. Alright, so let's see. Let's also go ahead and set up the authentication system. Alright, been a while since we do that. Since we've done that. Authentication. Yeah. Like that. In here, let's go to settings, authentication. Like that. Views. Let's go ahead and find, let's create URL subpy first. Oh my god. Okay. So let's do the same thing here. Pass auth. Include auth.urls. Authentication.urls. Perfect. Alright. From Django.urls import pass from .import views URL patterns equals pass and register, right? Let's go here. As always, let's just define some of the plain good old routes from Django.contrib.auth.models import user from Django.contrib.auth import authenticate, login, and log out. Alright, so to register somebody, we can just say authenticate, or not register. So I'm going to say if request.method is post, else, something like that. Okay. So, let's see. Here I can say return render request. Authentication / register.html. Let's create new templates. Authentication. Let's create register.html. Yeah, alright, good. It's probably need to extend the base. So just copy you, paste it right there. Register. Alright, register. So what do we want them to have? Honestly, as simple as we want, we can just have a username, email, password. That should probably work. Should be enough purpose because all we're doing is really comments, like, you know. It's less about the information, but more about, like, what can we do with it? What can the user do once they signed up? Alright, let's see. Well, you guys know Bootstrap has version 5 already. Oh, never mind, I should say that. I realized a while ago. No, Bootstrap version 4 or version 5, whatever. Alright, let's go to docs. Let's go to forms. Forms control. We love Bootstrap, don't we? Alright. Color picker. Kind of want to implement something that uses color picker. Anyway. Yeah, it does not make sense. You know what? I'm gonna just copy it. Let's do a form. Action, no action. Method is post. Like that. Okay, option D. There we go. Okay. I'm just gonna copy from control stat email. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. Alright. Let's go to urls.py. I'm gonna say it's views dot register. Huh, that should be it. Alright, let's run the server again. Alright, let's click on view detail. Oh, right there. Okay. Alright, let's comment. Let's do register. Okay, still forbidden. Did I disable? Let's read only. Don't do read only, please. And then value, honestly, just do a placeholder. Wait for it to load. Yeah, that should be a register password. Email password. Let's do a username as well. Shall we? Div. And in here we can say username. Text. God, what did I? Username will go after email. Sure. Password usually at the end though. Let's say username. Please get to work. Alright, sweet. Okay, what else do I want to do? I think I have that figured out, so that's pretty good, probably. Pretty good. Okay. Now what I want to do is it's actually handling here, so we can say user dot objects dot create user dot create user username equals request dot post email equals request password and I think create user automatically saves it. So then we can get that like that. Then we can say authenticate. Authenticate, request. You know what? I'm just gonna say login. Login request user. And then here we're gonna say from Django.http import HTTP response. Alright, perfect. So that's that. Let's do a login view. So same thing here. Oh, this is probably gonna be the same form as register though. But I guess I have to remember their username. Alright, so then in here we can say username equals request post bracket. Username password is request post bracket password. Okay. Let's do authenticate. User equals authenticate. Username equals username. Password equals password. If user is not none, then we can just lock them in. Alright, login, request, comma user. Now let's return CP. Response, wrong username or password. Okay, and we want to do login.html. So let's go create login.html, which literally, if not a mistake, going to be really similar to register.html. But all the difference is there's no more email this time. So nothing to worry about. Name, username, name, password. Name, username. Oh my, please do not. Name equals email and name equals password. Okay. Alright. And now finally what we can do is we can do a logout view. Which we can just say logout request. And for now we're just gonna say return shape your response. Log out successfully. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. So let me see. There's nothing. Let's add this route. Let's do pass login view style. Okay, login view. Pass. Let's log out. Let's say view style log out view. Sweet. That should be it. I have facing my program, so I'm not gonna even bother to test it. I'm assuming it's gonna work. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do in this video. Set up the authentication system, make the comments display a little bit better. Next video, I'm probably gonna add more to the comment so that they can like a post, edit a post, edit like the comments that they made, stuff like that. Yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. As always, stay safe and have a great rest of your day. That was me, out.